this is Jordan here from Uprint SA in Durban. We have a license to brand on these COVID-19 masks. We got two masks over here. I will be getting in the fabric masks in soon, but we are going to just do a little training video on how to brand on these two. I'm just going to be discussing what products you need to brand onto your masks. You're obviously going to need your marine AB paper supplied by Uprint. This has already been cut out and it's already been peeled. And next you're going to need your silicone pad and your temperature control unit supplied by Uprint, made in-house. And we're going to be using the heat from the silicone pad, transferring it onto the mask and onto your surgical mask. Next you're going to need just a little tub of water or cup or glass, whatever you want to use. And I just use a simple sponge wrapped around, as you can see there's a sponge there, wrapped around in a nice cotton cloth. I don't use any other type of cloth. Cotton cloth is the best. Wrap it around, put an elastic there, and then it distributes the water nice and evenly when transferring it over your transferred logo. Alright, we're going to move on to the next process. Thanks. Alright guys, I'm taking my cutout logo. I'm going to place it where in the desired position. I'm going to take my silicone pad. I'm going to heat it up over this temperature control unit, or the plate. It is at 180 degrees Celsius at the moment. I'm just moving it around like that just to heat up all corners of the silicone pad. It is at an angle. Alright, I'm going to hold one side of this logo down. Okay, and then I'm going to go in for the press and hold it down nicely. You can just hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. If you want to go for 5, you can just always check again underneath. Alright, let's take my water, clear the sponge out a bit. I don't want too much water, otherwise it leaks everywhere. Nice even amount. Okay, just dabbing it. I'm revealing where the logo is. I'm going to now peel it off nicely, nice and gently, making sure that I haven't left any text behind. That came out beautifully. I'm going to take my silicone pad one more time just to push it into the material. Right now it's sitting on the surface of the paper's just been a carrier. I'm going to use this silicone pad and just press onto it gently and hold this nice and tight, so I can just get a bit more pressure on each side, and I am good to go. Right, next guys, we're going to be branding our surgical masks. This one's nice and simple. You can't put this in a heat press. It might be possible, but there's a chance you're going to melt the string on here or any of the little knitted areas on this mask. You might melt it or damage it, make it look, it won't look too nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to again use my silicone pad, line these logos up, get them ready for branding. Right, nice and simple. Take my silicone pad, heat it up, and I'm going to take that heat, apply pressure exactly where I need it, straight down, and I can just hold it there for about 10 seconds. My sponge. Okay. Just forgive me, I don't have the sense of touch. I'm using my gloves here, so you normally feel the sponge, how much water is in there. Okay, you're just revealing where the writing is and all the logo, so that you can remove it nicely. So you see it, then you can go ahead. Beautiful. Alright, so you can see it sitting on the surface now. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the silicone pad again, and I'm going to press it into the material. Press down nicely just for a couple seconds, roll off. And there we go. Nicely printed COVID-19 mask for quick spark liner. Thank you guys.
How's it, guys? A question often asked, guys, is, we get called, can we use our paper in other machines? And the answer is no. All right. It's a combination of the chemicals, the paper, and our printer. Now, the printer is unique in many aspects. Okay, first of all, it's got a white toner in it, all right? And it makes up black on the magenta, yellow, and cyan. All right, and it does not have a fuser unit in it. It's got a very special carrier in front that does not fuse the toners to the page. All right, so this is a very unique machine, and this is the reason that we can print on all products. All right, so, and when I say all products, 99% of products out there Uprint can do. We're the go-to people now for a total solution in one box. This machine can print up to 32 pages a minute. So you can run a factory on this thing with 20-30 workers. All right, our system is pretty hands-on, but it does have its quicker ways of doing things, and that is by you learning how to do it. Now remember, a very important thing, guys, is that there is training online and at our facility here in Durban. All right, so the guys who are overseas, in America and Europe, we do have agents we're working on. We've got a very good agent in America. Please download our app, okay, and you'll see the different platforms we use on the screen that we train you with. Guys, we can train you at a facility in Durban or on these platforms. All right, so please also subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. And any ideas or hints that you might have for us, please be more than willing to listen. So thanks very much for watching, and good luck, guys. We're looking forward to hearing from you.